Okay, so we are going through 3 different parts today. All right, grammar MCQs, Compre Cloze, and synthesis and transformation. This will be the one that is the main focus for today. And then in between, I'll give you guys a 5-minute break. Oops, why did I have the additional E there? 5 minutes break. Okay. So let's begin with grammar MCQs, and then I will ask those of us who have gotten it wrong to actually do give me the correct answer. So you have one more opportunity to get it correct if you get it wrong. Okay, and then you still get the mark for it. However, if you have not done it at all, okay, you only have one opportunity to get it correct, and that is here during the class when I ask you for the answers. All right, those of you who got it correct, just keep quiet first. The more you get correct, the better you are, because if you get the whole section correct, you get bonus marks. Okay, so Gupta and Annie might not know this, but let's say let's say a section has like 10 questions, you get all 10 correct, you get an additional bonus 2 marks, that kind of thing. And then you basically get more marks on Class Dojo, which means it's more value for you, and you can exchange for more awesome stuff in the future. Some stuff that my students exchange for are things like Robux on Roblox. Some of them they exchange for Lego and then get it sent to their house. Some of them they exchange it for like a mouse. The last time one of my students exchanged it for the spinning pen, like the special one with the weighted sides, and then you can flip and flip and flip the spinning pen kind of thing. If you ask Cheryl and Jira, they can tell you that it's true because they themselves have seen the students exchange it as well. Right, Jira and Cheryl? Yeah, so Jira is nodding, so is Cheryl. But you can't see Cheryl nodding because you can only see her forehead. Okay, number 1. All right, let's have a quick look over here. All of you got it correct. It's excellent. The woman who just spoke to you, all right? Just a very quick reminder between who and whom. When do we use who? When do we use whom? We use who when who is the subject. Subject is basically the one doing the action. Okay, and whom we use it when it's the object. We're referring to the object, which is the one receiving the action. So over here, we know that the woman is the subject. Why do we know that? Because the woman is the one speaking to you. You are the object over here. Spoke is actually the verb. It's a simple past tense of speak. And so the woman here is actually the subject. So we are referring to the woman with the word who over here. So we use the word who. The woman who just spoke to you. Okay? So let me give you another example over here very quickly, just to clarify who versus whom. Let's say, for example, you guys got into an argument, all right? And then maybe, I'm not sure, maybe Jira, all right, pulled Cheryl's hair. That kind of thing, right? You were fighting or something, and Jira's like, "Oh, stop here!" And then Cheryl was like, "Oh!" She flew over, right? So over here, the verb is obviously pulled. It's the action, all right? Who's the one doing the pulling? Jira, right? Who's the one being pulled? All right, or rather, Cheryl's hair. Cheryl's hair is being pulled over here. So when I refer to Jira over here, I will say Jira. All right, and then I'll use a different color. Jira who, right? Jira who pulled Cheryl's hair was punished by the teacher. Then if I wanted to refer to Cheryl over here, right? Cheryl is the object. Okay, I use Cheryl, and I won't use who anymore. All right, I will use whom. Right, just to remind you guys very quickly, when do we use whom? When do we use who? We say Cheryl, whom? Cheryl, whom was attacked by Jira. All right, maybe she started getting angry. Okay. So in this sense, please remember how we use who and how we use whom. All right. Jira is the subject, so we use whom. Sorry, we use who for Jira. Cheryl is the object, so we use whom for Cheryl over here. All right, just a quick update. Yeah, got sent to the hospital wing. Sure. What is the word after object? The word after object is hair. Hair, Gupta. Sorry, I write very quickly. Let me know if I don't write clearly. All right. The word here is hair. All right. Actually, a better sentence would be Jira attacked Cheryl. Yeah, because actually for this one, it's supposed to be Cheryl whose hair was pulled by Jira. Then it's not who or whom anymore, it's whose. All right, WHOSE. But anyway, you get the point. When to use who, when to use whom. Okay, that's the important part. And all of you got it correct. Number 2, I need Jira to give me the answer again. Jira, you got it wrong. What's the best answer here? These books don't belong to you. They are what the boys claimed. Keep in mind, the boys over here with an S, yeah? That's right, Jira, you're correct. Answer is C, right? It's ours, more than one. They are ours. These books don't belong to you. They're ours. All right. Of course, if it's just one person, then we would say they are mine. But this is like plural, more than one boy. Okay, so Jira got it correct. Let me just change the color here. Next, all of you got this one correct. All right, which color do you like, pink or blue? Which is the word of choice? When you have choice, we normally use which, right? Which one do you want? Okay, and then there's like a choice over there. Or if they have defined the noun for you already, then they will ask you something like, which was the cat that attacked you? Something like that. Okay. Number 4, all of you got it correct as well. Wonderful. Let's breeze past it. This one is Raphael likes over here. We have the S here because Raphael is singular. There's only one. Since there's only one and it's in the present tense, all right, present tense, there must be an S. All right, Raphael likes writing stories. And we cannot use C or D over here basically because we're actually saying has written over here. All right, has written means it's over and done with, but in general he likes writing stories, and that's why he actually has written several semi-true stories this year. So answer is B. All right, likes writing stories. Next, number 5. If I'm going too quickly, please let me know in the chat group or unmute yourself and say, Mr. Joel, you're going too quickly, can you slow down? If not, I will take it that this is a comfortable speed for you. Okay, you need to let me know. That's the whole point of tuition. All right, I have to I can customize the lesson according to your speed as well. Number 5, all of you got it correct. The answer is B. Some words on this page aren't. All right, we can't use was or weren't because this would be past tense. Was and were are past tense. Is and are present tense. So are is present tense and plural, and this works because words over here there's an S. This is actually plural. All right, and it's present tense because can read them. So this is like the present tense over here. Okay, so we use the word B. We use the option B over here. All right, so aren't. Some words on this page are not very visible. Next, number 6. All of you got it correct as well. The slideshow was about to start when the computer screen suddenly went blank. When is a very important word here because it tells you it's the past tense, not just the past tense, it's a simple past tense. So you have to select another thing that's a simple past tense as well. And was over here is a simple past tense. It coincides with the correct similar tense. So we use was. Okay, has been and had been, they are different. This is the present perfect tense. This is the past perfect tense. All right, so we're using the same tense form over here. Simple past, simple past. Everyone good so far? Am I going too quickly? Anyone have any anyone has any questions? Is Raphael a girl or boy? Raphael is normally the name of a boy. If you change it to Rafaela, then it's the name of a girl. Yeah, it's like sometimes people change it to Michaela instead of Michael, right? Michael is a boy's name, then Michaela is like a girl's name kind of thing. Yeah, so Raphael is like a boy's name. And Raphael is one of the archangels as well. Was he an archangel? Michael? Raphael? Yes, an archangel in the Bible. All right, for this one, 3 of you got it wrong. Boom, boom, boom. Only Annie got it correct. All right, so I need Cheryl, Gupta, and Jira to give me the answers again. Cheryl, Gupta, and Jira. I won't say whether it's correct or wrong until all 3 of you have given me the answers. So I'm still waiting for Cheryl to make a guess over here. Next Monday, what my grandmother's birthday? Let's plan a surprise for her. Yay, that's right. So Cheryl, Annie is the only one who got it right. Yes, so Cheryl, you're correct. Jira and Gupta as well. Next Monday is, all right, next Monday is grandma's birthday. So the answer must be A. All right. Why? So the 3 of you actually said next Monday will be grandmother's birthday. So normally, so birthday is like a special thing. Birthday, it's on the same day every year, right? You don't have something like, oh, this year my birthday is on 1st January, next year is on 3rd January, that kind of thing. No. So when we talk about birthdays, right, we tend to talk about it in the present tense because it's like a regular thing that happens every year. Remember, boys and girls, present tense, we are not talking about things that are happening now. Okay, a lot of you have this weird idea that we use the present tense to talk about things that are happening now. No. Okay, present tense is used to talk about things that occur regularly on a regular basis. It could be daily, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, yearly, all right, or it could be a fact. For example, a triangle has 3 sides. We don't say a triangle had 3 sides, right? We say a triangle has 3 sides. It's a fact. We use the present tense. Or I say something like, Gupta has English tuition every Monday at 5:30 p.m. That's a regular thing because it's a weekly affair. So we use the present tense. Gupta has, all right? Or maybe I say something like, Cheryl visits her grandmother every Saturday. It's a regular thing. It's weekly, isn't it? When we're talking about something that's happening now, we use the present continuous, which means we use is or was in front and then the ing form of the verb behind. For example, I can say, Annie is looking at the screen right now, right? It's happening now. Yeah, so that's why I say is looking, yeah? Or if I want to talk about something that Gupta was doing just now, I can say something like, Gupta was writing on his paper just now. Okay, but that would be like past continuous. But anyway, is and are, all right, and then ing form, that's things that are happening now. The boys are having fun right now, right? They are jumping up and down on the bed. So it's happening now, all right? We use present continuous for things that are happening now. Yeah? Please remember that. Next, number 8. Okay, so all 3 of you did your corrections. Good, good, good. Number 8, Jira got it wrong. Jira, please do your corrections here. Can you give me another answer? What do you mean by it's also a speech, Annie? Yes. Okay, so Jira has corrected herself. The better answer here is hasn't. So this is what we call like a question tag, right? Has, hasn't. Yeah. Your sister has bought another mobile phone, hasn't she? So it's a question tag. All right. They have caused some trouble, haven't they? Right? Was in a speech, yeah. But the part where we choose is, whether we choose the present tense or not, doesn't have anything to do with the open and close inverted commas speech. In open and close inverted commas, right, for speech, it can be any tense actually.